Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiffy G of AT Beauty, and today I'm going to be doing a product review for Esha hair bonding glues as well as primer. So I'm just going to get right into it and not waste a lot of time. Be sure, if you're new to the channel, to subscribe, hit that like button, be sure to leave a comment if you like the content that you see, and let's get right into it. So right here I'm going in with the Esha grip and primer. This is just a nice little base that I'm putting down before I apply the Esha bonding glue. Shouts out, by the way, to Janet Collection for sending me these products to review. They really were exceptional. I'm not just saying that because this is a promo, but they actually are really good products. And actually, this is the Esha bonding glue here. I actually had used this before. This was sent to me by Janet Collection, and it was really great. But let me tell you, the primer being put on before this glue is laid down was seriously a game changer in the lastability of the glue over the past few days that I wore this unit that I'm about to put on my head. And yeah, it just really created a really nice base for the glue to lay on top of, and for your units to just last a little bit longer. So yeah, I just went in and I applied the Esha glue to the perimeter of my hair. Don't mind me, I'm very unorthodox when it comes to like sometimes doing like the ball cap method. I change my wigs out so much, a lot of the time I don't do that, but you'll see in the end, it still came out really great. So yeah, I just laid down one coat. I'm just showing you, this is actually a unit of mine from my collection. This is a customized 613 unit that I did some colorization to. And yeah, I'm about to put that on. I was just checking there to make sure that the glue was tacky and ready to go, which it was. So yeah, I'm just gonna flip this bad boy onto my head. I'm just, you know, adjusting the straps, making sure everything is set, because this look is gonna serve. I'm into like a lot of cosplay and fantasy things, so I actually did this unit kind of based around that, and this was actually featured on one of my models in a photo shoot. So feel free to go over to my IG page because I have pictures that were posted regarding that. That's Allthingsbeautyy with 2 Y's on IG. And yeah, I'm just positioning this on my head properly. I was making little faces if you saw earlier because, like I said, this glue, honestly, I feel is really good. It dries down really quickly, and the adhesion is real serious. Like, it's real tacky glue. So for me, one coat sufficed. Like, that was good enough. And yeah, this bad girl stayed on pretty much a week, and I wasn't even like really doing it for any particular wear. It was mainly for the purpose of making this video and doing the demo. But I did wear the unit after all for a few days, and when I tell you she was secure, she was secure. The girl wasn't going nowhere. So really loved that. Just making sure I'm going in here with a rat tail comb and really laying down those edges and really making sure that that is set down in place before you'll see me go in and work on these baby hairs. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And for me, underneath the wig, you didn't really see with the ball cap on. I have, well, not ball cap, stocking cap. I have a severe undercut, so I'm honestly bald-headed. I'm a bald-headed girls. I'm bald-headed. But no, I'm not bald-headed. I just have like really no hair, like close shaved sides on the head, on the side of my head. And in the middle, I just have like the middle portion of my hair. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. So yeah, I'm just going in now and I am pulling out where I want to create some baby hairs just to give it more of a realistic, cute kind of effect. I did not tweeze this unit. I didn't really care about making this unit overly like realized, I guess you can say. Like, you know, I know some girls, they're really into like you know, plucking the unit and making it very true to their hairline. That's a better way of saying it. I wasn't really particular about that with this unit. And also this had been manipulated to really fit the hairline and the, well, not the hairline, but the shaping of my model's hair. So I'm pretty much going in and, you know, reworking it, you know, to customize it for me. But I didn't want to do too much, just to maintain the integrity of how it was already. So yeah, I'm just clipping the baby hairs into action. And, you know, I do baby hairs on some units. I'm not one of those girls that even likes to really, you know, work the hairline like that in terms of like doing my edges and baby hairs too much. I think for some units it really works. Like I said, this is more of a cosplay kind of wig. This is definitely not an everyday wig. So yeah, that's another reason why I didn't want to, like, you know, I didn't do too much with this. But the hair quality is great. I love it. It's super soft. Shouts out to my vendor for that. So, yeah, once you cut it, you just want to take some mousse. Guys, let me tell you, I don't know why I slept on mousse for the longest time. Like, I was big on, like, edge control and pomades. But, I mean, I don't know. This was like a revelation, and I've been doing hair for years. I don't even know what's wrong with me. But when I say I was gagged at how efficient, like, using mousse really is, and I would see the girls doing this all the time, and I'm like, well, why are they using mousse? What's that going to do? I really need my edges to stay. But child, when I tell you this, you know, the mousse really is the bee's knees. Like, it really, really is in terms of molding. And then when it dries down, it pretty much stays however you decide to model it and mold it. It stays, and then you can always comb it out once it dries down to give it a softer, more realistic look. But you can see it in my eyes. I'm like, wow, this is really happening. Because I'm telling you, sorry guys, my window's open. Why would that happen now when I'm recording? This is so you know this was real. Not live, but like real. But yeah, anyway, I'm sorry. I get so distracted easily. I'm a Gemini, guys. You have to forgive me. But yeah, so, yeah, I was just floored. I was like, oh my God, these baby hairs. This is like the best I feel like I've ever laid down my baby hairs. And y'all definitely will see once I really stylize it and really like take it down. I was just like feeling myself. So yeah, I'm just going in here making sure everything is positioned to my liking before I go in, as you're seeing right here, and taking it down. So yes, do you see what is giving? And I'm still gonna work it a little bit more. That's the thing. I'm still gonna work it a little bit more. But it already, look, I'm just like, yes, like what? You're not telling me anything. Stop it. And this is not even like taking it, like I said, to the next level, like really finessing it. Like I said, I could have overly gone in and really worked the hairline, but I just didn't, you know, I didn't do that. Like I said, I'm very, I don't even want to say non-conventional, but like I said, unorthodox. Like I don't do things by the book in terms of hair, makeup. I use all types of things. As long as in the end it gives, that's what it is for me. So yeah, I just put a little bit more mousse to just lay the front portion down, you know, to make it a little bit smoother. And I'm doing the same thing here, just slicking any strays back with a little bit of mousse that I applied to the rat tail comb. And I had done a deep wave when it was on the model. Some time ago, and you know that stayed and that pretty much held up, so I'm just keeping that form and really just enhancing it, as you see here, with whatever mousse that was left on the hair as well as my hand. And yeah, that's pretty much the extent, guys. Again, this was Esha's line of hair bonding glue as well as a grip primer. I also have a remover. I will be featuring another video on the uninstall of this unit. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm new to making the whole YouTube video, so please forgive me if this is a little like rough. But yeah, I'm trying to get more into the mode of really featuring my units and just, you know, doing a lot of things on this channel in regards to product promotion, reviews, demos, just talks about hair, beauty in general, skincare, makeup. FYI, again, I have my own line. It's Allthingsbeautyy. That's Allthingsbeautyy with the letter, with 2 Y's at the end. And yeah, I have a new website coming up, so stay tuned for that. I don't know if you saw a little bit back in this video. I just showed another clip of me, you know, lounging around, and I was still feeling myself. So I did a little video to just show the hair again. But yeah, I think beauty should be fun. I think beauty should be expressive and experimental. You should have fun with it. And that's what I like to do. I really promote that with my brand, just whatever age you are, just owning your beauty unapologetically and showcasing that unapologetically to the world. And yeah, I did a little cute little photo shoot, you know, spur of the moment. Added another video clip here, just being silly. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until later, bye guys.